show you the application, wait 30 minutes, and then come back on camera to take them off. Wait, which one is which? I don't even know. I'm so bad at this. Oh, okay.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. We're doing something different today. I have super sensitive teeth, like super sensitive teeth. Everything bothers my teeth, and I am not able to use any like regular like teeth whiteners. The most I could do is get like whitening toothpaste. I'm too much of a wimp to go get my teeth like whitened at the dentist, and it's expensive. So today I'm trying out, I literally don't even know how to say this. Basically, it's an all-natural teeth whitener. It's supposed to be certified non-toxic without sensitivity, so for sensitive teeth. We gon' see, because I've tried stuff before and I just haven't had luck. If you're interested in seeing me test out these little strip things to whiten my teeth and see if my teeth struggle in pain, keep watching. Also, shout out to Dossier Perfumes. They have collaborated with me once again on another perfume. This time it came with something special. I got another perfume and also a little travel one of the same scent. So basically Dossier Perfumes is a perfume brand out of France, and what they do is they basically like reproduce high-end or like luxury or name brand fragrances. They keep the price down since it's not an actual name brand, but it's still the same like high-end quality. They're able to keep the price on a lower price point. I've seen prices range anywhere from like $28 to $49, which, listen, we all trying to save money. I love all of the different kinds of scents they have. They have musks, they have florals, they have citrus scents. This time around, I have the floral rose. In my last collab with them, I'll leave that video linked in the description box, I had the florential almond. So good, literally my mom stole it from me, so I don't even get to use it. Rose scents last the best on me, anything floral and flowery. The top notes in this one are rose, centophilia, cumin. The middle notes are velvetier, incense, and cedarwood. The base notes are musk, citrus, and amber. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh! So good. Oh my gosh, I wore this the other day and I had it on from 11 a.m. and I came home from work. It was around like 10 and I came in the house and my mom was like, oh my gosh, you smell like you just put that on. And I didn't touch up throughout the day at all. You guys, their scents just are so good. They're strong without being overpowering. Definitely check them out. If you want to shop any of these scents and get a discount, I will leave the link and all of the information in the description box. All right, we're gonna get started. All right, so we're keeping it casual today. We're in my bathroom. Today's actually the 4th of July, so depending on when this goes up, happy 4th. This is not what I'm wearing for the 4th of July. This is my getting ready outfit. This is called Luminu? I have no idea. They're oral essentials, and I got this, by the way, from Fruitful Yield. I'm pretty sure that's a Midwest store. I live in Illinois, so they're like an all-natural, like organic, not a grocery store, like market. It says they're medically developed whitening strips, minutes to whiter teeth without the sensitivity, oral perfection, dentist formulated high performance care, certified non-toxic, 1 upper and 1 lower treatment. So you got your strips. With both hands, apply upper strip to top teeth. Apply lower strip to bottom teeth. Leave on for 30 minutes. Remove, rinse with water or brush. So what I'll do is I'll put them on, show you the application, wait 30 minutes, and then come back on camera to take them off. Wait, which one is which? I don't even know. I'm so bad at this. Oh, okay. I'm like horrible at following instructions, by the way. I failed that part of school, probably. The big one is the upper, the bottom one is the lower. Okay, I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared. Wait, which side do I do? Probably this side, the one that wasn't on the sheet. What the? Oh, yeah. I'm stupid. Yeah. Oh, I feel it, yeah. Definitely I was putting on the wrong side before. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. I just like don't like this kind of stuff like in my mouth. All right, time to do the bottom ones. Hell yeah. All right, they're in. Jeez, that took like 20 years. All right, so my teeth weren't really like that
not white to begin with, just a little bit because I drink coffee and stuff. And so here you go. Here's your whore. We're gonna wait 30 minutes and see what happens. So far, it feels fine. I don't feel any like tingling. I don't feel any sensitivity. You can kind of taste like there's ingredient there. It tastes like a very, 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 very faint toothpaste. Like the least flavored or activated toothpaste, I feel like. All right, so 30 minutes. I'll be back.
I took my hair down because I hate my hair up. But so we're at like, it's been like 15 minutes, so I have like 15 minutes to go. This is what? Honestly, like, I feel them, but they're not like bad. Like they're not, like I feel them in my mouth, but I'm not like overly annoyed with them yet. So 15 more minutes to go.
All right, y'all, so it's been 30 minutes exact. I'm gonna put my hair up again and we're gonna take them off. Ew. Ugh. So I just took them off. There's still like stuff on my teeth, so I think I am gonna brush my teeth really quick and then go from there. So I just brushed my teeth. I didn't use toothpaste or anything. I just did like lukewarm, cool water and just like kind of brushed away all the debris, I guess. So is that what my teeth look like? I kind of don't. I don't know. I'm like indifferent about it right now. Honestly, I feel no sensitivity. There's no pain. It honestly just kind of feels like, again, I brushed my teeth with like a weak toothpaste. And by I mean weak, like not super minty, not super strong, something like that. I kind of don't like that it whitened in like spots. Like this part of my tooth looks whiter than like the tops. Like, I don't know. I mean, looking in, I have a cabinet, so I'm like looking in that mirror too. I don't know. I really don't know how I feel. I feel like it only whitened like certain parts. Maybe it was user error. I don't know. I don't know if I would try these again. Maybe I would, but bottom line, I don't feel any sensitivity. I didn't feel any sensitivity. They were easy to use until, you know, in the beginning I had a little trouble, but that again, that was me just being me. I mean, they're okay. We'll see.
So there you have it. That is it, you guys. First time I'm trying an all-natural teeth whitener. I'm kind of indifferent. There was no sensitivity, and that was kind of what I was the most concerned about. I don't know if I'm thrilled about how they whitened my teeth. Not really sure. So if you have any suggestions on maybe other natural teeth whiteners or teeth whiteners that don't have any sensitivity, or if you would like me to try something else like this again, let me know. Again, shout out to Dossier Perfumes for collaborating with me, sending me the most beautiful smelling fragrances, and also giving you guys the opportunity to shop them. Again, all of the information will be linked in the description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.